What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube continuation of how you can be able to register your business name on the Cooperative Affairs Commission of Nigeria. So we have already reserved, our name. So our name is on the reserve section, also they have approved it. So the next thing we need to do, we need to click on this reserve. So we need to go to that domain name, that that's business name that you want to register the business name. So this is the name that's there reserved for us. So now we just need to click on start registration. So just click on start registration, and the registration process is going to start. So now this is the first, you can see business details, and this is the particular and the proprietor, so which is the ownership, the business nature you have. So you need to check all your details because you have 6 steps here, and I'm going to be explaining all these 6 steps one after the other. So now when we come to business date, so I advise you to put that same date that you are registering this business, which is that same date that you are registering this business on CAC. So the reason for that is because if your business have actually started, let me say 2 to 3 years back, and you added that date, they are going to be like, they are going to charge you a tax starting from that particular date that you that you added. So I normally advise to use the same date that you are registering that business on CAC. So which is I'm just going to say 1st of November, because I'm registering it on 1st of November 2024. So now email, let me just input my email here. So I'm just going to be using this email. Yeah, I'm going to be using this email. No, let me just change the email. So I'm going to be using this email here now. So this is my email. Then you are going to add your phone number. So I'm just going to add my phone number here. So in this side, this is your place of birth. So you need to add your place of birth. So I'm just going to be adding all my information here. So let me just select, okay, place of business. So I'm just going to be using, I'm at Enugu right now. So this is my my business address, just using it as an example. So now you can see this branch address, if any. So if you have any branch on this on your business, you just need to input it here. Then you click on this add branch, and the branch will be added to this section. So the branch will automatically be added to this section. So but if you don't have any branch, you can just leave it like this. Don't forget, this date is very, very important. Just use the date that you are registering this business on CAC. Don't use the date that you have been using, like when the business established. Use the current date that you are registering the business on CAC. So now the next step we need to do, as long as we have put our place of business, so we just need to click on save and continue. Yeah, I'm just going to save this. So now you just need to wait for the next page to load. So in this next page, if you can see that I've already added my information. So the reason why this information pop out automatically is because of your information you fill on your profile on this Cooperative Affairs Commission account. So my information has been added there automatically, so I added it. So once you add it in this particulars, so this place, you are going to be seeing your information. But if it is not your own and you are registering it for someone, you can just click on this add individual. So you just need to click on this add individual. So for you to add the person information, phone number, emails, and their contact address, so you just need to click on it, and you add the person information. So once you are done, you just need to continue to this next step by clicking on save and continue. So now here we are going to be adding our nature of business. So we just need to check add nature of business. we click on it. So remember that we selected our nature of business. We need to do the same. So let me just select the nature of business. All right, so this is my business, category, the nature of my business. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on this add nature of business. So I already added it. You can see the category, business, nature of business, and the other description. Now we can edit it and we can also delete it. So if you want to. So now let's go to the next step. The next step, we need some documentation upload. So now, okay. So now, we need to upload our document. You can see the, the size requirement, means of identification. You can see it, and you can see a signature, your signature, and again passport of you, which is passport of me registering the business. So now this means of identification, which you see here now. So this is let me say your national ID card and driver's license, passports, and all that. So this signature, just for you to just sign, just need to sign in a paper. Sign in a paper, take it, like take a photo of it, then you upload it. Then the second one is if just a passport of showing your face. That's all. So I'm just going to be uploading all these documents now. All right, so if you can look at this side, I've already downloaded all my files. So you can see the first one, the NIN, the second one, the signature I just signed on a paper, and the second one, the third one is on my my passport, which is a photograph of my face. So now let's do the uploading. So now let's upload. Just please pay attention on the format. You can see the first one is means of identification. So I'm uploading my NIN in PDF format. You can see required, yes, 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 and this one is not, it's just optional. So I'm just going to be uploading these three info. So now the first one is means of identification. So now let me upload my NIN here. Take note, it's a PDF. Just convert it to PDF format. So now, so this is my NIN PDF. Then I upload it. So then we upload the signature. Also my signature. So this is my signature here. Then I upload it. So now we upload. Let's upload my passport. So photograph. You can see. So this is my passport here, which is my picture. I just cropped it to for you to display my face. So then we click open, then is uploaded successful. So now we have uploaded these three documentation that are required. So the fourth one is optional. If you have any extra documentation, you can just upload this, but it's not optional, so you can just leave it if you want to. So now we just need to click on this save and continue for us to go to the fifth step. So you can see the first one is this is the information of the business that we want to register, for you to check every single information if it's correct, because once you make your payments, I'm not sure if you can be able to change this. If you want to, there are going to be an extra cost for that. So that's why I required you, so for you to check all this info correctly. So the first one, you can see business name details. So classification, so this business name, where we are registering the business name. So you can see business distinct date. You can see that is November 1st 2024, which is today that I'm registering the business. Because this address and branch, I have no branch for it. Then nature of business, can see information and the information on the communication, then telecommunication, then fintech. So you can see my information here and my address, everything. So now we just need to click on save, process to payments, because this is the last step. So saying we are going to be paying 10,000 naira plus for for them to proceed to check if this business will be reasonable. So you can see this is our invoice, and they say you should pay the amount of 10,000 naira. So I'm just going to be paying the 10,000 naira now. So click on this button, remitter. We just need to do it as we do the first one. So I'm log into my app, my mobile transfer app. So we are going to be using this bank transfer method. Um, okay. Now let's wait for the account number to display. So just make the payments now. 45634. So I'm making the payments now. So we can just reserve this name. So for them to check the approval. Please just make sure you pay the exact amount. You can see the service fee there, which is 10,161 naira point 25 kobo. You just need to pay that exact amount to avoid errors. Alright, so I have made the payment. Okay guys, so I just made the payments now. So if you look at this side, you can see that my receipt has been paid. So description, you can see registration of business name fee, for all applied charges. So now we need to download our receipts. Make sure that anything that you're doing on this platform, you need to get your receipts. So just download your receipts. So let me just download mine now. Alright, so you can see this is the receipt of my payment. I just downloaded it. So make sure that you download every single payment and receipts that is required for downloading. So make sure that you download it and store it in your device just in case. So now all we just need to do, we need to wait for 24 hours for the approval. So now let's wait. If they approve it, fine. If there is any issue, we are going to be fixing this issue together. So now let's wait for the 24 hours. Side now, you will see that they have approved the business name. You can say viral bill solution. So now we just got approved. So for you to be able to download your receipt, you just need to click on this download documents. Please just note that you can see that kindly note that or like you just allow to download this documents within 7 days. Once it's 7 days, like once that 7 days interval is over, they are going to charge you. If you, I don't know how much that they charge, because I normally download my documents once it's approved ASAP. So now once they send you an approval email, you just need to log into your account. Then you come to this side and click on this document. So now you can see download status none. Jeez, I've not downloaded anything here. So you just need to do, you just need to click on this download button for it to start downloading. So now this is the report status. All right, so let me just know where to save it. So this is the report status here. Sorry, I think I'm just finding where to save it. Okay, I think let me just save it in this folder. All right, so let me save it in this folder here now. All right, then we download the second one. This is the certificate. So note that with this certificate now, this is the new CAC let me say update. So once you register your business on CAC, which is Cooperative Affairs Commission of Nigeria, so you don't need to go to joint board like to go and get your thing, let me say your tax number. No, let me say they will be sending you your certificate attached with your tax number. So let me just quickly open this and let me show you guys. All right, so this is the certificate here. You can see this is my tax number. It is tax identification number. So you don't need to go to let me say joint board, because the previous one that I did, I go to joint board website and create apply for my thing, which is my tax identification number. But now I don't need to do that because the number is generated for me automatically. So this is how you can be able to create your to register your business name on Cooperative Affairs Commission. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I release a new video like this, I'm able to get notification for that. So see you in my next video, guys.